Hi, this is Curt and welcome to another edition of Fire Law Roundup.
Let's go simple case, not discriminatory. Just as a note, this is always the bad one. West Virginia firefighter here was just sentenced finally to 14 years for a firehouse sexual assault. He was also a police officer, and he was both paid and volunteer in the fire service, as it seems. He tried to have consensual sex with a female. She said no. Now she's 16 years old, so I don't know what the law in West Virginia is on consensual sex, but nonetheless, she clearly said no, and he decided to, I guess, rape her or have non-consensual sex. And then he was sentenced.
Yeah, I got to bounce this off you because I blogged about it. I kind of thought about it, and I'm saying, well, this is unusual. All right, this is a very unusual case. This is brought by the U.S. Department of Justice.
Yeah, the FBI was the main investigator in this.
Sexual assault is a state crime.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and looking through the documentation, he wasn't charged with sexual assault. Now, I don't know if in addition to the federal crime, he was charged state-wise. Yeah, I see that. See that expression you got on your face? That is the expression I had, right?
I wonder if he used the internet to seduce her. I wonder if he used the internet to seduce her. That would bring in the FBI.
It could, maybe? But I think that his criminal offense is violating her civil rights. So I'm wondering if maybe I'm just speculating, and I guess we probably shouldn't speculate here, but yeah. I'm wondering if maybe the age of consent is 16 or 15 in West Virginia. And so they really didn't have a criminal offense in terms of sexual assault. So they said, all right, no problem. We're going to handle this as a abuse of a position and a civil rights violation.
I don't know. I really have to read the charge,
But I thought it was like as soon as I started getting into it, I'm saying, like, why is this a federal case? Why would the U.S. attorney get involved in a sexual assault case, which is typically a state law type of charge?
Yeah, and the only thing I was thinking of is whether there was some internet predatory. If she was 14, I could see it. 16, so I'm not sure. But I don't know the answer to that. In any event, what's always bad about this is, a plumber rapes somebody and it's not headlines. A firefighter and a cop does it. It's just bad for the fire service. It's like when our people steal, you steal from the Little League, it hits the paper for a day. A firefighter steals from his fire department. Oh my God, it's the worst thing in the world. And look, it is. It's bad. This is all bad, but just the firefighter is just so bad for the fire service. And for any of the, we're supposed to be trusted people. And I unfortunately, the world, look, there's bad people in everything. There's no industry, the church, right? I mean, pick one. There's bad people in everything. But to characterize or to generalize that, well, that bad person is, representative of everybody in the service is just horrible. And I think people do that. People with a chip on their shoulder want to do that. And they use things like this. It's horrible, and not much more you can say about that.